Get ready to be overwhelmed with cuteness because these adorable pets will melt your heart. Welcome to the Amazing Animals and Pet Expo 2024. This is the event of the year for all animal lovers, enthusiasts, and curious minds alike. Whether you're a seasoned pet owner or just someone who loves to marvel at the wonders of the animal kingdom, this expo has something for everyone. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen. The doors are open and the excitement is palpable. You can feel the buzz in the air as people from all walks of life gather to celebrate the beauty and diversity of the animal world. From the tiniest of insects to the mightiest of mammals, they're all here. Witness the intricate details of a butterfly's wings and the powerful presence of a lion. Each creature, no matter how small or large, plays a vital role in our ecosystem. The air is filled with a cacophony of sounds. It's a symphony of nature, where every chirp, bark, and roar tells a story. Listen closely, and you might even hear the whispers of the wild. Barks, meows, chirps, and even a few roars mingle together in a symphony of nature. It's a beautiful chaos that reminds us of the vibrant life that exists beyond our human world. Children are tugging at their parents' sleeves, eager to rush in. Their eyes sparkle with wonder and excitement, ready to discover new friends and learn about the animals they adore. Adults are just as keen, their eyes wide with anticipation. For many, this is a chance to reconnect with nature, to remember the joy and fascination they felt as children. In my years of practice, I've learned that the bond between humans and animals is truly special. It's a connection that transcends language and culture, a mutual understanding and respect that enriches our lives. As we enter, the sights and sounds overwhelm the senses. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of the animal kingdom. To our left, a parrot squawks a cheerful hello. Its vibrant feathers and playful demeanor draw a crowd, each person eager to interact with this intelligent bird. To our right, a group of puppies wag their tails in greeting. Their boundless energy and joyful spirits are infectious, bringing smiles to everyone who passes by. Straight ahead, an enormous python coils lazily in its enclosure. Its sheer size and strength are awe-inspiring, a reminder of the power and mystery of the reptile world. So come along with me, dear readers. Let's explore this wonderful world of animals together. There's so much to see, learn, and experience. Every corner of this expo holds a new surprise, a new story waiting to be discovered. Let's explore this wonderful world of animals together. From educational exhibits to interactive displays, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're here to learn, to be entertained, or simply to marvel at the wonders of nature, the Amazing Animals and Pet Expo 2024 promises an unforgettable experience. Now, let's turn our attention to the exotic animals section. First up, we have the majestic Bengal tiger. Its orange coat striped with black is a sight to behold. Next to the tiger, we find a pair of meerkats. These little fellows stand upright on their hind legs, their heads swiveling this way and that. But the real showstopper is the two-toed sloth hanging from a branch in its enclosure. Talk about a laid-back animal. This fellow moves so slowly, you'd think time itself had slowed down. Ah, and what do we have here? A red-eyed tree frog. This little amphibian is a master of camouflage. Its bright green body blends perfectly with the leaves in its habitat. But those red eyes, they're like rubies gleaming in the light. Now, let's not forget our more familiar friends. The domestic pets section is bustling with activity. Dogs of all shapes and sizes are here, from tiny chihuahuas to enormous Great Danes. It's like a canine United Nations. I spot a border collie that reminds me of my old dog Tip. Cats, too, are well represented. Persian cats with their squashed faces and long fur, sleek Siamese with their striking blue eyes. One ginger Tom catches my eye. He's sprawled out in his enclosure, belly up, without a care in the world. But it's not just cats and dogs, rabbits with floppy ears and twitching noses, guinea pigs squeaking excitedly, even a few ferrets, playful as always. Now gather round, folks. It's time for some truly fascinating animal facts and stories. Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? Quite fitting, I'd say. Speaking of pink, did you know that hippopotamuses secrete a red oil that acts as a sunscreen? Take the axolotl, for example. This remarkable amphibian can regenerate lost limbs, organs, and even parts of its brain. Here's another interesting tidbit. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. They're known to mourn their dead, much like humans do. Oh, and here's a fun fact about our feline friends. Did you know that cats have over 20 different vocalizations? Section 5, Scales, Fins, and Shells, Reptiles and Aquatic Creatures. This section is a fascinating journey into the world of creatures that slither, swim, and bask in the sun. Let's slither on over to the reptile and aquatic section, shall we? Here, we can explore the diverse and intriguing lives of these unique animals. First up, we have a magnificent Burmese python. This snake is truly a sight to behold, with its intricate patterns and powerful presence. It's coiled up like a giant scaly cinnamon roll. The way it wraps itself is both mesmerizing and a bit intimidating. Did you know these snakes can grow up to 23 feet long? That's almost as long as a small bus. Their size and strength make them one of the most formidable reptiles in the world. Next to the python, we have a group of bearded dragons. These reptiles are known for their friendly demeanor and unique appearance. These little fellows are quite the characters. They have distinct personalities and can be very interactive with their environment. They're currently doing their best impressions of rocks, basking under their heat lamps. This behavior helps them regulate their body temperature, which is crucial for their survival. Now, let's take a peek at the aquatic section. This part of the exhibit is teeming with life and color, showcasing the beauty of underwater ecosystems. Oh my, would you look at that lionfish? Its venomous spines fan out like a lion's mane. These spines are not just for show, they are a powerful defense mechanism. Next to it, a clownfish darts in and out of its anemone home. This symbiotic relationship is one of the most fascinating in the marine world. And here we have a group of red-eared slider turtles. These turtles are known for their distinctive red markings and playful nature. They're paddling about in their enclosure, poking their heads above water every now and then. It's always a delight to watch them swim and interact with each other. Did you know these little fellows can live up to 30 years? Their longevity is a testament to their resilience and adaptability in various environments. The petting zoo, up close and personal with farm animals. This is where the magic happens, where the bond between humans and animals is forged in the most delightful way. Now, let's mosey on over to the petting zoo. Here, the air is filled with laughter, the scent of hay, and the gentle sounds of animals. This is where city folk can get up close and personal with farm animals. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of urban life fades away, replaced by the simple joys of nature. First up, we have a group of friendly goats. These curious creatures are always eager for attention and a good scratch behind the ears. They're currently engaged in their favorite pastime, trying to eat everything in sight. From straw hats to shoelaces, nothing is safe from their insatiable appetites. Next to the goats, we have a pen full of sheep. These gentle animals are a favorite among visitors for their soft, woolly coats. These woolly creatures are currently being shorn. It's a process that not only keeps them cool, but also provides us with the wool we use for clothing and other products. It's fascinating to watch the skilled handlers remove the thick fleece in one piece. Their expertise ensures that the sheep are comfortable and stress-free during the process. Over in the corner, I spot a group of children gathered around a large sow and her piglets. The sow, with her calm demeanor, watches over her playful offspring. The little ones are squealing with delight, both the children and the piglets, that is. It's a heartwarming sight to see such pure joy and excitement. And what's this? A pair of alpacas. These gentle giants are always a crowd favorite, with their inquisitive eyes and soft, fluffy coats. These South American cousins of the camel are always a hit at petting zoos. Their unique appearance and gentle nature make them a joy to interact with. With their long necks and fluffy coats, they look like something out of a Dr. Seuss book. Their whimsical appearance never fails to captivate both young and old. One of them is currently having a staring contest with a little boy. It's a moment of pure connection where time seems to stand still. My money's on the alpaca. They can be quite stubborn when they want to be, but it's all in good fun, and moments like these are what make the petting zoo experience so special. Birds of a feather, avian attractions at the Expo. Let's spread our wings and fly over to the avian section, shall we? First to catch my eye is a magnificent bald eagle. Its white head gleams in the sunlight, a stark contrast to its dark body. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.